Well, hello there, YouTubers. I know it's been a while. So this should be day 20 of my 100 days of practice, where I was practicing and working on my video production skills. But what I decided, well, we're in the middle of a home remodel, so that's not really kind of working out. So I think it's day 20 of 30 days of videos. Production skills, I don't know, it's 100 days of practice. I haven't missed any days, but I haven't filmed them all. So this is just my latest completed sketchbook. So this is day 20, and I'm just flipping through the pages. Yeah, and so I kind of put together this little notebook to paint on the go, and so far it's working pretty good for me. I like it. So if you've taken my class on Skillshare, Watercolor Journaling for Beginners and Artists, then you'll recognize this template that I use to encourage daily practice and work on my skills. And so here I think I was using gouache, and so what I've been up to the last month, well, we've been remodeling our home, so that's kind of taken up a lot of my time, but what I've been up to is working with different mediums, gouache and oil pastels, and I think coming up you'll even see some acrylic in here. Oh, so there's the oil pastels. This is the beginning, and I think I did a video of a portrait I did, but you know, this is practice. And I remodeled the kitchen. My daughter made me a coffee bar, so that's what you saw there. And yeah, just practicing every day, and went fishing on that day and caught a fish, and just thought it would be kind of neat to do a big old colorful flowing fish, and you know, it's enjoyable. So this is pretty bright stuff. I think that is either Mission Gold or Shinahan gouache. And then here I started going with limited color palettes. Oh, I got the Dr. P.H. Martin's Radiance line. Yeah, they're gorgeous, but the problem is they are not light fast at all, which, of course, they don't pretend to be, but they are so vibrant. So I've really been having some fun playing with those, and that's what you see on this next couple of pages. They're very vibrant. And so on this day I started working with limited palettes of maybe 3 colors. And yeah, I worked on that for a little bit. And yeah, pretty bright, huh? Just digging on those Dr. Martin's Peach Radiance. And this, I think, is, yeah, definitely the limited color palette. I started putting a swatch. That Kleenex is there because the other side was oil pastels, and I didn't want it to rub off. And so these are both limited palettes as well. And then here I was going to try to match something, and I just didn't never get to it. So these 2 pages are actually acrylic because I had to break them out for another project with Afton. So, and then here I am swatching my very favorite 12 watercolors, and that's the end of this sketchbook. So hey, as always, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a positive review, blah blah blah. All those things you do on the internet cost you nothing but mean a lot on the internet. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.